What was the hardest place for you
Mm-hmm.
to go to, like country-wise?
Probably Australia, because they asked me if I was a Nazi. Oh, I'm not a Nazi. Never really, nobody's ever asked me that before. Yeah, but that was because they have a lot of restrictions to go to Oz. I've been there a couple of
Mm-hmm.
times, and actually, it was in the 90s, I think, early 90s. Those guys, maybe it was later, I don't know. I'd have to look at dates and stuff. But actually, those guys, they had more grow stores per capita than any place in the world, and mainly in Melbourne. Melbourne, yeah, yeah, they're
And
really
it's
big.
it's still illegal over there, I believe, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's quite illegal now.
Yeah.
Because see what happens, what I learned anyway, what happens is people start growing, especially indoors. And the Australians, see, they've got this British heritage, right? What do you call them? Like kind of cowboys is what we call them. And so
Yeah.
they figure they can do anything they want. So the deal is, I got a lot of good friends from Oz, but the thing is, the law enforcement follows the illegal activities, and it follows society, and it takes anywhere from 2 to 5 years to catch up. So there's this really nice sweet spot right at first, and you get in on that. That's where I was. Same thing in Canada. It happened in the mid 90s, and in Switzerland it happened in the late 90s. In Switzerland there was 8 years where it was just totally uncontrolled. Most people over on that side of the world don't really think about it. and
Yeah.
and then there's other places, but that's more mafia like, in Mexico and Colombia, those places. But Colombia, yeah, they've got the Indians in uh, the Valley of Cauca, Cauca, where it's kind of a confederation of tribes there. But they run that whole area. Yeah, but that's where the main growing's going, or it was. It used to be when it was illegal. Now you can
Yeah.
grow 20 plants in Colombia, and it
Oh,
Oh,
started
nice.
to
wow.
be more legal. Yeah, and same with Mexico. Yeah, a lot of places. In Argentina, you can sell clones and stuff, and seeds
Oh,
are
wow.
legal
I
everywhere.
didn't know that.